What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am out in Plano, Texas. You guys know we do tons of work in the South. Texas is definitely a Dreamedia state. Anyways, I got one of my customers here who was really happy with not only the products that we provided. These new Focal 100 series are just kicking butt and people are loving them. But in addition to that, he was happy with our preferred installer. So all the way around, super thrilled, and I just wanted to share that testimonial with you guys. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, check out this testimonial. Let's go.
When they came in, they were very professional, very courteous. They were very friendly. It looked like a war zone for a few hours, but they cleaned it up for the most part. When they were done, like, you know, they had little bits they had left over, but then once they came back the second day, they cleaned it all up.
Nice.
And it was working great.
And how was your experience with Dreamedia and working with your sales rep?
Kellen was great.
Kellen was great. It helped you out figuring out the exact equipment that you needed for the space?
Yeah, no, like, at first I thought it was going to recommend the clip speakers because that's what I saw featured a lot. He said you should probably go with the Focal, so I was like, I trust it.
Well,
I'm not disappointed.
We definitely stand behind the products that we believe in, and it helps that, you know, we kind of just follow our passion, you know, like when there is a new product available, we go after it, you know, if we think it's better, and we'll continue to offer that to our customers for many years to come. This is a pretty sweet system. I appreciate your kind words.
Sure.
All right, big thanks to the customer for those kind words. You guys know that we are on a mission to put a home theater into every single house in America, and this is a prime example of what I mean. You don't need a dedicated space, guys. It can be a living room, it can be a spare bedroom, it can be your garage or your attic, your basement, anywhere in your home. Dreamedia has the solutions to give you the ultimate home theater experience regardless of budget, guys. We have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.